Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to learn foreign language for free. Now, what you can do is you can get started by simply typing in a message, can you teach me Spanish, for example. This is, in English, you can write this in your language as well. Just write, can you teach me, and then what language, in your language, right? So you can click enter here. And as you can see, yes, I can certainly help you learn Spanish. Learning a new language can be challenging but rewarding experience. And basically what ChatGPT will give you is it will give you basic steps to get started with your learning of Spanish language. What you can also do is you can translate words. So for example, translate apple in Spanish. And as you can see right here, you will get basically apple in Spanish is manzana. So basically you can do that, or what you can do is you can ask questions. So for example, how can I say hello, how are you doing in Spanish? And it will basically give you the answer. Hello, how are you doing in Spanish is this right here. I cannot pronounce it, so yeah, but as you can see, it will give you the answers. And this way you can learn and you can basically use ChatGPT to learn a foreign language for free. Now, obviously, this will not act as a replacement for your tutor, so you will need to actually go and hire a tutor if you want to learn more extensively. But what I would do is I would definitely go, and then once I learn something, I can go and I can basically talk with ChatGPT in Spanish. For example, if I paste this, ¿Cómo estás, right? I can go here and ChatGPT will actually give me the answer in Spanish. So I can actually talk with my tutor, which is a ChatGPT in this place. So that's pretty much a way how you can go and use ChatGPT to learn foreign language. Obviously, there are a lot more things that you can do here, but these are just some ways that you can go and learn, Spanish with ChatGPT or really any foreign language. Now, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more AI videos, definitely check out our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.